Okay, let's open this up and see. Simply too much packing tape, you know? Okay. I think it's not necessary to put all this packing tape. What would be better is actually to have some masking tape where you can just peel it off, you know, instead of using packing tape and seal it. Totally not necessary with this packing tape. Okay, so this is the first one. Quite a handsome looking one. Okay. Second one. Okay, actually all this packing tape is totally unnecessary. As long as you seal both ends of the foam is good enough. But anyway. So this is another one, a black and silver, okay, chrome. Also looks quite good, not bad. Okay, this is almost like the Thin Line V2, except that this one is much thicker than the Thin Line V2. So this is the big brother of the Thin Line V2. This one. Okay, this is quite an interesting model. Very slim, nice power, very shiny. I'm not quite sure what finish is this. Maybe it looks like chrome, you know. And the size is very good as well. Handsome. Okay, this is also the big brother of the Thin Line V2. Okay, unfortunately the what do you call it? The wrap here is a bit hurt already. There's a bit of a problem with the wrap here. Anyway. Oops, something is wrong. You can hear that the screws are came off. This one is another of the smaller design, which also looks not bad. Okay, let's put the screws here. Maybe those are separate, what do you call it, additional screws that they give intentionally, or the screws are supposed to go inside here. Okay, but they didn't put it, don't know why. Okay. Okay, this is another one. These are about quite simple, I think, but this is a 1-inch saber, not a 7-8 inch. So this is good size and probably very economical as well. Okay, this is the big brother of the thin line, except that this one is in silver. Okay, this is like the grey one just now, but this one is in silver. Okay, this I got to test the sound and everything, but I think if this is good, the price should be quite affordable as well. And this one is a full size. This is 1 inch instead of the 7-8 inch. Okay, so this one should be good choice. And if I'm not mistaken, all these sabers come with multi-colors, if I'm not mistaken. This is the same one. Oops, the screws fall out again. I'm not sure why they don't tighten the screws, but anyway. Okay, this is the all black version. Okay, and this one is a cross guard. A lot of people has been asking me for this Kylo Ren type of a saber, which I don't make. And as you can see, the size of it for shipping is quite big, because if you compare this and this, the shipping box is only so big, but this one, the shipping box has to be 3 times as big as the other one. So when the shipping box becomes 3 times as big, then your volumetric weight for shipping will also increase significantly, you see. So the shipping of a crossguard will be much more than the shipping of a single saber. Some people are not willing to pay so much for the shipping, but the reality is the size of it, because of the side blades. This is just without the blades. This is just only the emitters, side emitters, without the blade, and even then the size has gone up. So the other reason why we normally don't normally sell crossguards is because of the size, and the size of the box as well. So you also need to get a box which is that big as well. Okay, so this has got very nice looking emitters. Okay, this is actually quite similar to this, except that the top part is actually a crossguard instead of a straight one. Okay, last but not least, think these are blade plugs. Okay, so I think you do not need to require to open this. These just are normal blade plugs. Oh no, these are side blades for the side blade. I think for this cross guard. Not blade plugs. These are side blades. So these are the side blades. Okay, and that's about it. So maybe after this, I'm going to do the testing on the sound card, and then familiarize myself with the features, and then we'll do videos for most of them. Okay, thank you.